What's up, guys? I figured I'd show you a little video of how I'm learning how to maneuver my new vDrive, and my salesman had showed me this, basically just using forward and neutral and reverse, no real throttle input, how to spin the boat around and use the natural tendency for the stern to go to the right, to pull to the right when you go to reverse, and you can basically just pull right up to a dock, spin it around, and basically crab walk the boat sideways if you wanted to, right next to the dock, just by using forward, neutral, and reverse. Just small little inputs, just so it engages in gear, and just show you how I'm learning to do it. And I came in just a hair little too hot on this one, but you get the point. So yeah, let's just check it out.